How to save with transparency in Photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have tutorials for many apps like Photoshop and also many playlists. So let's get started. So by default, when you save or export an image from Photopea or Photoshop, the default settings are set that any transparent parts will change into white. If you went to File and exported and clicking Export As and exported it as JPEG, as you can see the photo, as you can see the background is set to be white. If you want it to be transparent as it is and save the transparency settings, just go to File and export as PNG, and as you can see it's gonna be saved as transparent. You're gonna click on save and save it and choose the location you want it to be saved to, and then it's gonna be saved. Let's click on it, and here as you can see there is no background behind the word nature. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.